Look, I've been gaming since before analog sticks were a thing. I've seen consoles come and go, controllers evolve, and frame rates go from slideshows to buttery smooth. But these three? They're not your average consoles. One's a retro powerhouse disguised as a portable. One's a literal cube that you twist and shake like a Rubik's puzzle. And one's a 200-game nostalgia bomb with controls for every era. Let's break down which one actually deserves a spot in your rotation. The AYANEO Pocket FIT is what happens when you take a flagship Android phone, gut it, and build a dedicated gaming handheld around it. Snapdragon G3 Gen 3 chip, 15-watt peak performance, LPDDR5X RAM, UFS 4.0 storage. This thing eats retro games for breakfast and demands Android titles for lunch. The 6-inch borderless IPS screen hits 1080p at a buttery 144 Hz, so high FPS gameplay looks crisp and responsive. The 8,000 mAh battery keeps you going for hours, and the cooling system actually works. No thermal throttling mid-session. But the real magic? AYA Space software. Key remapping, performance modes, fingerprint power button, turbo key. It's built for control freaks who want to tweak everything. Hall trigger buttons and wide-frequency haptics make the tactile experience feel premium. Best for retro enthusiasts and Android gamers. The WOWCUBE isn't a console. It's a whole new way to play. Instead of buttons or a touchscreen, you twist, tilt, shake, and rotate a physical 2x2x2 cube to control games across 24 high-resolution screens. Yeah, you heard that right. 24 screens covering all 6 sides, creating a continuous digital playfield where characters and puzzles move as you twist the cube. It comes with 100+ pre-installed games, and you can download more from the WOWCUBE store. Arcade, puzzle, casual, even STEM-style games. It's not trying to compete with a Switch or Steam Deck. It's trying to make you think differently about play. The 6-axis gyro, accelerometer, and Bluetooth connectivity mean it's smart, but the real draw is the tactile, hands-on experience. Users love the novelty and STEM appeal, but note it's not for traditional gamers. The Atari Gamestation Go is a time machine in your hands. It's got 200+ built-in games: Atari 2600, 5200, 7800, Arcade, Recharged, M-Network, and even Pac-Man. This thing is loaded. The 7-inch full-color display is crisp, but the real star is the controls. Integrated paddle, D-pad, trackball, numeric keypad, bumpers, and classic buttons. Every game gets the control scheme it was designed for. SmartGlow tech lights up the controls you need for each game, so you're not fumbling around trying to remember which button does what. HDMI out lets you play on your TV, Wi-Fi for updates, built-in rechargeable battery. Users love the nostalgia and control variety, but note it's not a modern gaming powerhouse. best for retro purists, collectors, and anyone who wants 200 classic games in one portable package.